Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to turn teammate effects on or off in Pastefir. Let's begin by opening Settings. In Settings, go to Graphics. In here, scroll down and look for Hide Teammate Effects. When this option is enabled, all effects from teammates will be hidden. Simply choose to toggle it on or off. If it is turned off, you are prompted to change the teammate effects quality. You can change it to your liking. Set it to ultra, high quality, medium quality, low quality, or hide all effects, which is the same as turning this on. I'll go to ultra, I will leave it disabled. I will hide the teammate effects. Of course, change it to your liking. Once you are done adjusting those settings, simply press back. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.